I was able to lay my hands on 5, but they have other colors, like colors ranging from browns to grays to greens to blues to even they have a shade called golden. I can't remember, golden something, but I can't remember. Hi guys, my name is Niella, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a show and tell / first impression of a product I got a couple of weeks ago. Not really a couple of weeks ago, like sometime last week. The Royale makeup brand. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I have done a lot of first impressions and reviews about this particular brand, and it's a brand so dear to my heart. Royale makeup recently added a new addition to their product line, and it's the Royale makeup multi-tone collection contact lens. So it comes in about 25 colors or thereabouts. It comes in like 25 colors or thereabouts and 25 different shades and tones, but I was only able to lay my hands on 5 that I like. I was able to lay my hands on 5, but they have other colors, like colors ranging from browns to grays to greens to blues to even they have a shade called golden. I can't remember, golden something, but I can't remember. So guys, I'm just going to be talking about the Royale makeup soft contact lens cool tone collection. The contact lenses are not just single tone, they are like multi-tone. So I have here creamy and milky olive. I have viola gray, Royale. I have Royale, and I have violet. So like I said earlier, they have about 25 different tones and different shades of their contact lens. It doesn't just come with lens, it also comes with solution as well as the case where you put your contact lens, tweezers, and the contact lens applicator. So I was so in a hurry that I couldn't get the pack of this, but this is what it actually looks like. This is what the solution actually looks like. And so in this case you have the contact lens case. Let me just say this. So you have the contact lens. You have the contact lens case. Where you can put your contact lens after contact lens, and in the same case you have a small tweezer and the lens applicator. So guys, I'm not going to be showing you guys the video on how I'm going to be wearing this. I'm going to go off camera, wear my contact lens, and come back on camera to show you what it looks like. I'm not pretty sure of the shade I'm going to be using. I really like the fact that it has this included in the kit or in the case. This is supposed to help you pick out the contact lens when you want to take it out, and this is supposed to help you wear the contact lens. So guys, I'm going to go on camera to wear one of the shade and I'll be back. So guys, I changed my mind. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I open it. So it was this way. It was just this way. Then I tore the lid open, and I'm going to pick out the contact lens using a pair of tweezers. So this is me picking out the contact lens. Don't be worried, the tweezers are not pretty sharp. Don't forget to always work with a clean hand when you are Don't forget to work with a clean hand when you are about to wear your contact lens. Guys, like I said before, I already have a detailed video on how to wear contact lens. I'm going to link it somewhere around here, or just drop the link in the description bar. So I'm going to go off camera to wear this and I'll be back. And the shade I am going to be using is Milky Olive. The color I'm wearing here is the Milky Olive color. It has this sort of grayish kind of feel. I'm sure you can tell by looking at my eyes. It has a sort of grayish feel, and some of the colors I actually got are I played safe, let me just put it that way, because the creamy looks so much like brown, you know, but a different shade of brown. Violet gray actually looks like a violet, like a gray, but a different kind of gray. Violet actually looks like a violet color. I don't know if my camera is going to do justice to it. The violet actually looks like I think the violet color is the only color I didn't really play safe with, and the Royale brown, you should all know by the name, it is total brown. So, and it retails for 1,500 naira for the contact lens, and with the solution is 3,000 naira. So the contact lens is 1,500 and the solution is also 1,500 naira. So it comes with a kit this way. This is supposed to be inside the pack of the solution. So it says, it's not really solution, it says aqualution. It says aqualution. So I like the packaging. They still maintain their gold and black shade, or gold and black color, or brown color. So like I said, I'm wearing the Milky Olive right here. It's not itchy, it's not itching me, and I'm trying to get used to wearing contact lenses again, because it's been a while. I think the last time I wore contact lenses was my traditional wedding, and I can't remember if I've actually worn contact lenses again. So I'm quickly going to film a makeup tutorial, and I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fab day ahead. Thank you so much to Royale Makeup. To order this product, you can go on their website, you can chat them on their social media handle. I'm going to put it on the screen now, and you can give them a call, or you chat them up on WhatsApp to place your order. Remember, Royale Makeup also has the powder palette, the 7-in-1 powder palette and the 14-in-1 powder palette. I hope I am not mistaken. They also have their pro eyeshadow palette. They also have single powders. They are HD Stay Matte Press powders. They have eyeliner, they are Illusions liners. Those are liquid pen liners, and they also have eyebrow pencils. So guys, do check them out on Instagram and see what other products they have. See how other beauty enthusiasts have to use your products to create different looks. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.